this model kit review is of the Beechcraft Bonanza, the V35. This is by Minicraft, and it's a 1/48 scale model. Here you see the picture of the finished model. And don't see any other additional details. Let's have a look inside. Looks like the decal is starting to mold a little bit. Still seem in reasonable condition, so you could still use them. Probably got some water damage there. This one has already been started. I bought this one online. Here you can see the wheel wells, some detail. The wings have a fair amount of detail. These are all recessed panel lines, as well as the rivet lines. Here's our cockpit. We do have a interesting little indentation there. Here the rest of the parts in the sprue. We have the stabilizer, our nose engine cover, wheel covers, looks like parts of our landing gear here, nose gear, and a few extra engine parts. Here's our left fuselage. Seems reasonably well molded. Same thing with the right fuselage. Looks like we have part of the engine. That's interesting. It's already been put together. And here's the other wheel. Here's our glass, the windshield windows. Looks like our instrument panel here, with control sticks and pedals, and the engine or firewall. Here's our propeller. Let's have a look at the instructions. So we start off with the cockpit, which has been done already, then the instrument panel, that's gone onto the wings, also been done already. Fuselage put together along with the wings, and glass and tail. We have the engine, it's been started already, and that's then mounted onto the front, and then landing gear and additional body parts. Here's the rest of the nose. Here's the parts listing, and painting and decal guide. So all in all, a fairly simple model to build, but it does have some interesting details, such as the engine and the cockpit, and a reasonable one from Minicraft.